Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about personalized college schedules via machine learning. My name is Rachel Hotz.
I'm Kaitlynn Wade.
And I'm Carlos Castro.
And we hope you enjoy and find our presentation informative.
All right, to give you a little bit of background on machine learning is a branch of computing that employs algorithms to analyze inputted data and make predictions on outputs based on statistical analysis, while incorporating new data in real time as it becomes available to update the predicted outputs. It was first described by computer scientist Arthur Samuel in 1959 as the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning provides a more hands-off approach to developing AI, and it lets the AI gather information about situations and analyze it to improve its output functions. A prominent example of this occurred in 1997 of the efficient use of a machine was when IBM's Deep Blue supercomputer defeated chess champion Garry Kasparov in a game of chess. Machine learning has also been used by companies such as Google and Spotify to tailor online and musical content to the user's preferences and unique browsing activity. In the case of Spotify, being able to make Discover Weekly or new releases playlist based on the user's preferences. These examples prove that the concept of machine learning can be viably applied to other fields.
Now I'm going to talk a little bit about what we want to do with machine learning. So our goal is to basically improve university scheduling systems, and we find the problem is that students are often unengaged in the material that they're learning, especially in general education courses. They usually feel like some of those may not be beneficial to them in the long term or possibly apply quite as well to their major. And this can dishearten students, and it's also an unnecessary expenditure of university resources. So our solution to this is, instead of being forced to take general education classes that last an entire semester, students will take a shortened day or week-long version of a general education course online prior to each semester. What makes these classes different is that they will be equipped with a machine learning algorithm which allows the accelerated speed of the classes, as a student only needs to focus on what they need help with most. These classes will also, and possibly even more importantly, be used to pinpoint what students need to work on or already know, allowing them to test out of classes if they are fully adept in the material, or suggesting classes that would be most beneficial for them to take depending on their strengths and weaknesses. This would help to better build their schedules for the upcoming semester by offering personalized class recommendations based on what the student is strongest and seems most engaged in.
So in order to implement our strategy of providing a solution to the extra courses. So these extra courses will initially be offered as an option for students. The university can then test its success and make improvements, and if successful, it can be eventually implemented as a requirement for all students. So this will happen by every student would be required to participate in the teacherless online course, which would be necessary to place them in the appropriate upper level classes that have been personalized and that will be most beneficial for that particular student. There are many benefits with this new innovative technology that will completely improve the rates of student enrollment, decrease dropout rates, and increase student satisfaction as well as performance during the pursuit of their undergraduate degrees, as well as benefit the university presidents, and the administrators, for this new technological system will be innovative in an educational environment in order to keep their establishments up to date.
Now let's talk about the project timeline. Phase 1 involves the development of those personalized learning algorithms that can create a personalized university schedule based on student performance in certain classes. Phase 2 involves testing the personalized learning algorithms on willing participants composed of university students looking to personalize their semester courses and be involved in research opportunities. Phase 3 involves overviewing the research data and refining and adjusting the personalized education software based on the data provided and participant feedback, and changing the software based on this, such as debugging and streamlining it more. And finally, phase 4 involves retesting in the personalized education algorithm software and finalizing the software for introduction into the university environment. And to go more in depth about what each phase of the timeline involves, phase 1, titled Machine Software Research and Development, will last from August 2019 until August 2020, and will last 1 year and involve three developers working 40 weeks and 25 hours, which will lead to 3,000 work hours. Phase 2, titled Testing with Research Participants in a Classroom Environment, will last from August 2020 until January 2021, and will last 5 months, involving 10 people working 20 weeks and 2 hours a week, will lead to 400 work hours. Phase 3, analyzing research data and refining personalized learning algorithms, will last from January 2021 until July 2021, lasting 6 months, involving 10 developers working 22 hours for 24 weeks, for a total of 600 work hours. Phase 4, titled Retesting and Completing Final Software Product, will last from July 2021 until December 2021, for a total of 5 months, with 10 people working 2 hours for 20 weeks, for a total of 400 work hours. And the entire project itself will last from August 2019 till December 2021, for a total of 2 years and 4 months, and for a total of 4,000 work hours.
So, in summary, machine learning is an advantageous tool that could be creatively put to use to simplify and improve the scheduling aspect of the college experience. Doing so would not only improve student satisfaction, but it would also free up university resources and teachers' time. Both of these could go towards creating more focused classes on topics teachers and students are passionate about that would much better benefit students into their outgoing careers. Using machine learning to help students quickly get the information they need from general education courses, and then putting the data collected from their time spent on those courses into generating class schedule recommendations would hugely benefit any university. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope it gave you a good overview of what machine learning is, how we plan to use it, and our exact implementation process for this project. Thanks again.